Good morning to all. This is Nagul Mira. Our subject is Ppsc for first civil. In that Ppsc subject, our topic is expressions. Today's our topic is expressions. Okay, na? Yes. What is the meaning of expression here? What is the meaning of expressions here? Simply, expressions are nothing but combination of variables, constant, and operations. Those are written according to the syntax of C language. That is the meaning of expression. Simply, we can say here expression is a simple a line or statement. Okay, now which is terminated with a semicolon in our C language. That is nothing but expression. Here, expression may consist of combination of variables, constants, and also operators. Okay, na? So simply here one expression may consist of combination of operators, variables, constants. These all are nothing but our expression. Simply expressions are consist of a single line. Okay, and the end of the line consists of semicolon. Example is, for example, we have wrote some program. Gada. For example, this is my simple program. If you take any program, okay, if you take any program, so in this x equal to 20, this is a expression. Y equal to 30, this is a expression. Z equal to x plus y, this is also expression. So simply what here expression may consist of operators, constants, or variables that must terminate, okay, that may or may not, okay, that must terminate with semicolon. That is the meaning of expression. Okay, na? So in this expression, this is a variable, z is a variable, x is a variable, y is a variable, equal to and plus is a operators. Okay, na? Equal to and plus is a operators symbol, nothing but operators. So simply here what our definition says, what our definition says, simply our definition says expression is nothing but combination of variables. It may be a constant and also operators. Okay, na? So these all are written according to the syntax of C language. This is nothing but our expression. Okay, na? Then so simply here single line in our C language which consists of semicolon is nothing but expression generally. Okay, na? Yes. Now what this expression can do in C, every expression evolutes a value. Okay, na? In C, every expression evolutes to value. That means in C language, every expression can do some operation. Every expression can do some operation. Okay, now that is every expression resulting in some value. That means the result of this expression is nothing but the result of this expression returns some value. For example, same example, if you take, for example, z equal to x plus y, what it do here? Z equal to x plus y, what it do? Here x value is, in this example, x value is 30 plus y value is 30. Here this is combined, means 20 plus 30, nothing but 50. This 50 is again assigned to z value. Okay, na? So x value is substituted here, y value is substituted here, and x plus y operation is done, and then this x plus y result, that means 20 plus 30 result, nothing but 50 result is assigned to my z. That means here in our C language or something any language, expression can do some operations. Expression can do some operations and return some value. That is the meaning of this. That is the meaning of expression. Okay, na? So how do these evolute expression? So evolute of expressions, that is our next content. And so expressions are evaluated using an assignment statement of the form. That means that means That means expressions are evaluated using an assignment statement of the form. That means expression, how these expressions are evaluated, and also how these expressions are assigned some result to another variable using this example. Okay, na? Simply this is a syntax here, variable equal to expression. Variable equal to expression. What is the meaning of this? Here variable is nothing but any type of variable. Here x equal x or something z or something a, whatever it may be. Okay na? So variable equal to expression. Expression, what is the meaning of expression here? Here our previous example I am show kada. I will show here z equal to x plus z, x plus y. Z equal to x plus y. Z is a variable equal to x plus y. X plus y is the expression. X plus y is the expression. Here x plus y result is assigned to my this z variable. Okay na? So simply in this way expressions are evaluated. Okay na? When the statement is when the statement is encountered, the expression is evaluated first and then replace the previous value of the variable on the left hand side. That is the meaning. So first, how these evaluated, how these expressions are evaluated. First, this expression operation is performed. Okay, now first this expression operation is performed, and then this result is assigned to left hand side variable. Same whether. So for example, if you take this, okay, na, x equal to x, z equal to x plus y, what it say here? First this operation, this is my expression. First this operation is performed, and then result is generated, and then this result is assigned to this left side variable. Okay, na? That is the meaning of this. Okay, na? In this way, every evolution is every expression is evaluated. Every expression is evaluated. Okay, now some examples. Okay, how these expressions are evaluated here. There are some examples are given. For example, x equal to a into b minus c. This is a one expression, nothing but statement. Y equal to b by c into a. This is a one expression. Z equal to a minus b by c plus d. This is a another expression. Okay, this is a another expression. These all are different types of expressions. For example, take this one, x equal to a into b minus c. What it means? So first this operation is performed. First this operation is performed, and then this result is assigned to x. In this also, first this operation is performed, and then this result is assigned to y. And also first this operation is performed, and then result is assigned to left hand side variable. So this shows simple examples of evolution statements. Okay na? Now here next important content is, that is preceding and associativity. What is the meaning of this preceding and associativity? So in this topic we will discuss about, for example, our expression consists of more than one operation like this, into a into b minus c, a into b minus c. Here there are two operators are there, into and minus. In this particular example, how these first which operation is performed and then which operation is performed. So this ordering is nothing but, okay na, this ordering is nothing but precedence and associativity. Now operators preceding determines the group of terms in an expression and decide how an expression is evaluated. Okay na? So, for example, take this. Okay, now, for example, multiplication operator has a higher precedence than the addition operators. Okay, now, so take this one. Take this one example. X equal to a into b minus c. In this, a into b performed or b minus c performed first. In these two operators are there. So a into b performed or b minus c performed. So first what it says, first multiplication operation is performed. First multiplication operator has a higher precedence than the addition operators. For example, in this example minus is given. So first a into b performed, and then this a into b result is and then this result is a into b is performed, and then b minus c is performed. So take this example. Okay, take this example. For example, x equal to a plus x equal to 7 plus 3 into 2. For example, our expression is like this way, x equal to 7 plus 3 into 2. Now what is the result? Can you expect? X equal to 7 plus 3 into 2. What is the result? first 7 plus 3 performed or 3 into 2 performed. Okay na? So what is the result? The result is here, the result is x is 13. Okay na? Here this value is 13. 7 plus 3 into 2, the value is 13, and then this 13 is assigned to x. Okay na? Not 20. Not 20. How 20? For example, here what is the result? 7 plus 3 into 2. That means first which operation is performed? 3 into 2 performed. Okay na? So here, example says multiplication operator has a higher precedence than addition operators. That means first multiplication operation performed and then addition operation performed. Now what is the result here? 3 into 2. Here into operation is performed. That means 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7. That means 6 plus 7. That means 13. 13. Okay na? 6 plus 6,
Very.
6 plus 7, that means 13. So this is the result. For example,
Gonna
if
get
you
it.
take, if you take, okay na, if you take, for example, 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3, that is 10. 10 into 2, that is 20. So that is not exact answer. Okay now, so simply what it says, first multiplication operation performed and then plus operation performed. That means multiplication operator consists of higher precedence compared with the 7. Okay na? So here x is assigned. Okay na? Here x is assigned 13. That means first 3 into 2, that is 6 plus 7, 13. So 13 is generated and then this 13 is assigned to x, not 20. How this 20 will come? 7 plus 3. For example, if you performed 7 plus 3, that is 10. 10 into 2, 20. Okay, this is wrong answer. Okay, now here x is assigned to 13, not 20, because operator into has higher precedence than plus. Okay, na? And then so this is how multiple operations are ordered. Okay, now order is nothing but precedence. Here there are some examples are there. For example, this is the category, this is the operator. Okay, and this is the important operator. How these are evaluated. Now, for example, in our expression consists of these brackets, okay, na? And also these square brackets, and also some intent. Yes, so this is operators into nothing but point, plus increment, decrement, plus plus, minus plus. So our expression consists of these type of operators. How these operations are performed? So from left to right. Left to right means first this operation is performed and then this one and then this one and then these operations are performed. Okay na? For example, if you take plus, minus, not, okay na? So negation, plus plus, nothing but increment, minus minus, increment. Okay na? So in this order, our expression consists of in this order. So how these operations are performed? So right to left. That means first this one performed and then this one and then this one. So last one this one. So in this order, operations are evaluated. Okay, expressions are evaluated. For example, our expression consists of into, by, divide by. So these three operations our expression consists. So how these are evaluated? So left to right. That means first into is performed. Okay now. Next divide by performed and then percentage is performed. For example, our expression consists of plus minus. Okay, now first addition is performed and then minus is performed. Nothing but left to right. First addition is performed and then minus is performed. Okay, now? So simply in this way. For example, our expression consists of more than one operations, that is plus into. First into is performed and then plus is performed. Okay, now? So this is nothing but operators precedence. Okay, now? Then the precedence and associativity. Okay, now? So now, coming to our next topic, okay, now before going to this topic, is there any doubts? Is there any doubts in expression? Simply, I am recalling again, briefly, I am recalling again, nothing but summarize. Okay, here expression is nothing but line in the C program that must terminate semicolon. Okay, now, or we can say expression may consist of combination of variables, constant and operators. Okay na? So in C language, expression evolves to value. Okay na? That means every expression result in some value. Okay na? Every expression gives some value. Okay na? How these expressions are evaluated? So what is the some syntax for expression? Variable equal to expression. In this example, first expression is performed and then this result is assigned to this variable. Okay na? Now coming to some expressions are there, x equal to a into b minus c. So these all are examples of our expressions. Okay na? Now precedence and associate what it says, simply if our expression consists of more than one operations, so each and every operator consists of some order. This order is nothing but precedence and associativity. For example, multiplication operator has higher precedence than addition operator. How? Look this example, x equal to 7 plus 3 into 2. Now, first into operation is performed and then addition is performed. Okay. So, here x is assigned 13. X is assigned 13. How? First to into is performed. Okay. Na? First to into is performed and then plus is performed. So, here there are some categories are given. What are those? Okay. Na? So, for example, our expression consists of this order left to right is performed. So these all are different types of examples. Okay. Na? Coming to our next topic, that is side effects of C. Okay. Na? Side effects of C. What is the meaning of this? Okay. Na? What is the meaning of this? Simply, yes. Now our topic is next topic is side effects of C. What is the meaning of side effects? Side effects are nothing but possible errors. Okay. Na? Side effects are nothing but some mistakes. ఓకేనా, జనరల్ మన ప్రోగ్రామ్స్లో చేసే చిన్న చిన్న మిస్టేక్స్ని మనం ఏమంటామంటే సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ సి అంటామండి. హియర్ దెర్ ఆర్ సమ్ పాసిబుల్ సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ ఆర్ లిస్టెడ్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ మోడిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ గ్లోబల్ వేరియబుల్ ఆర్ స్టాటిక్ వేరియబుల్. ఇన్ దిస్ point we may get side effects, nothing but errors. Okay na? That is modification of a global variables or static variables. What is the meaning of global variables or static variables? Global variables are nothing but we can access everywhere in the program. What is the meaning of static variables? Generally static variables are nothing but constant variables. Okay na? So if our program consists of some global variables, some static variables, we may confuse. Okay, now we may confuse in program which variable is global or which variable is static. So at this point we may get some side effects. Next one is modification of function arguments. Okay, now this topic is discuss we will discuss in functions only. So function arguments, what is the meaning of function arguments? Function arguments are also called as parameters. Okay, function argument also called as parameters. For example, if our program consists of more than one function or that function consists of more than one argument, we may confuse how these variables are accessed. Okay, now at this time we can get side effects. Nothing, we can get some error. Next one, writing data to display or file. Writing data to the file or display. What is the meaning of this? For example, our program consists of more than, for example, 10 or 20 lines or something, any lines. Okay, now we may confuse how these file or how these variables are displayed. At this time we can get some errors. Those are nothing but side effects of C. And next one, reading data. What is the meaning of reading data? For example, in our program consists of different values, nothing but x, y, z. There are three variables and so one variable is integer, one variable is character, one variable is floating. For example, if we want to read data, we must read according to that particular data type. ఓకేనా, సో మీరు ఒక డేటా టైప్లో డిక్లేర్ చేసి ఇంకో డేటా టైప్లో డేటా రీడ్ చేయడం ట్రై చేశారు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు కూడా మనకి సైడ్ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ రావచ్చు, అది కూడా ఎర్రర్స్ రావచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకోండి మీరు. సో రీడింగ్ డేటా దీనికి ఇది తీసుకోవచ్చు అండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రీవియస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చా? ఎస్, ఇక్కడ చూడండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇంట్ ఏ కామా బి. సో ఏ బీస్లో మీరు ఓన్లీ ఇంటీజర్ వాల్యూ మాత్రమే ఇవ్వాలి. సి సి ఈజ్ ఏ ఫ్లోట్ అంటే సిని సిని మీరు యూజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఫ్లోట్ వాల్యూ మాత్రమే ఇవ్వాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ప్రింట్ ఆఫ్ ఎంటర్ ఎనీ నెంబర్ అన్నారు, ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు గెట్ క్యార్. ఓకేనా, ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు గెట్ క్యార్ అంటే ఏ క్యారెక్టర్ని మాత్రమే రీడ్ చేయగలదు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫ్లోటింగ్ వాల్యూ ఇస్తే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు క్యారెక్టర్ మాత్రం ఇవ్వకుండా మీరు మల్టిపుల్ వాల్యూస్ ఇస్తే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏ అని ఇవ్వాలండి, ఏ ఇవ్వకుండా నేను ఇచ్చాను నాగుల్ అని ఒక స్ట్రింగ్ ఇచ్చాను, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఎర్రర్ ఏం రాదు, కానీ మనం ఇచ్చిన స్ట్రింగ్ తీసుకుంటే ఓన్లీ వన్ క్యారెక్టర్ మాత్రమే ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి, ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 20, వై ఈక్వల్ టు 30, ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు సంథింగ్ రాశాను. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హియర్ ఎక్స్ వై జెడ్ 3 ఆర్ ఇంటీజర్. ఇక్కడ నేను ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఎస్ అని రాస్తే, ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఎస్ అని రాస్తే, ఎస్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ స్ట్రింగ్స్, ఎస్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ స్ట్రింగ్స్, పర్సంటేజ్ డి, వై ఈక్వల్ టు పర్సంటేజ్ డి ఈక్వల్ టు పర్సంటేజ్ ఎస్ రాస్తే. So here is integer value, but I am printing as a string. So at this time we may get some errors. Okay na? So those errors are nothing but side effects. So simply that is the meaning of reading data. That means we are define that particular data type or variable another type, but we are reading data another type. For example, integer ni మనం character లోకి read చేద్దాం ట్రై చేసాం అనుకోండి, so we may get side effect. Now here last one is calling other side effects function. Calling other side effecting function. That means in function calling, okay na? Function calling in functions topic, okay na? Function calling is there, function definition is there, function body is will be there, okay na? So here there are to define or to use function, there are three blocks are there. So at this time we may get some confusion. If we get confusion, we may get some side effects. So simply these all are some possible cases to get side effect, nothing but errors, general errors only. Okay na? So this is about our side effects of C. Okay na? Next one is type conversion statements. This is important topic and type conversion statement. This is very important topic. Okay na? So one of your sets consists of these question as 8 marks. ఓకేనా. సో 8 మార్క్స్కి ఈ క్వశ్చన్ రావడానికి మోస్ట్ ప్రాబబ్లీ ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయండి. ఓకేనా. సో డిఫైన్ టైప్ కాస్టింగ్, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ టైప్ కాస్టింగ్ విత్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అంటాడండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫార్మాట్. ఓకేనా. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ టైప్ casting or type conversion statement. ఓకేనా. సో టైప్ కన్వర్షన్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్న టైప్ కాస్టింగ్ అన్నా లేదా డేటా కన్వర్షన్ అన్నా ఒకటే. సో టైప్ కన్వర్షన్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్. ఓకేనా. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ హియర్? టైప్ కన్వర్షన్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ టైప్ కాస్టింగ్, ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ డేటా కన్వర్షన్. ఓకేనా. డేటా కన్వర్షన్ ఆర్ టైప్ కాస్టింగ్ ఆర్ టైప్ conversion statements, these all are same name and okay na. So simply here typecasting is nothing but converting one data type into another one. Okay na, converting one data type into another data type, that is nothing but type conversion. That means that means in our program one variable is defined in another type. Using this type conversion we are trying to convert those already defined data type into another data type. This concept is called as type conversion statement. Okay na? So here type conversion is nothing but converting one data type into another data type. This is nothing but type conversion. Type conversion also called as data conversion or type conversion. Okay na? Type conversion. So in our C programming provides two types of type conversions only. In our C programming language, there are two types of type conversions are there. First one is implicit type conversion. First one is implicit type conversion, and next one is explicit type conversion. Okay na? Implicit type conversion. Next one is explicit type conversion. What is the meaning of implicit type conversion? Okay na? So let us discuss. So here implicit type conversion is a one type of type conversion, also called as okay na, this implicit type conversion also called as automatic type conversion. Okay na, this is most probably on in bit only. Okay na, the another name of type conversion also called as, so that is automatic type conversion. Okay na. So what is meaning of this? In this implicit type conversion, Type conversion is done by the compiler on its own. Okay na? In this implicit type conversion, compiler compiler can do this implicit type conversion on its own. Okay na? It is done by the compiler on its own. Okay, implicit type conversion means converting of data type without losing its original meaning. That is the meaning of implicit type conversion. In this, what happened here? In this type, in this conversion, converting one data type without losing its original meaning. That is the meaning of implicit. If we convert one data type into another data type, in this here we without losing its original meaning. Okay, now that is the meaning of implicit conversion. So what is it means? For example, I am converting one data type, for example, integer data type into float. Integer data type into float. In this, the result is not changed. In this, the result is not completely changed. Okay, some little bit of change, but the original data is not changed completely. This is the meaning of implicit type conversion. Okay, here there are different types of implicit type conversion data types only. Okay, here there are different types of implicit data type conversion. What are those? Okay, boolean is nothing but s or no, or 0 or 1. Okay, boolean, character, short integer. Okay, unsigned integer, long integer, unsigned long integer, float, double, long double. These all are some examples of implicit type conversion. Okay, these all are some examples of our implicit type conversions. If we apply these type of data types, okay, so here the original data is not changed completely. Okay, so this is the meaning of implicit type conversions. Okay, so these all follow data types are according to its sizes. Boolean data type consists of small size. Compare with boolean, character is some little bit of high. Compare with character, short integer is some high, as well as integer something. Likewise here, which one is the highest one? Long double. Okay, which one is the long data type? Which one is the big data type? That is long double. Long double is a highest data type compared with all. Okay, so these all are nothing but implicit type conversions. What is the meaning of these? Simply, the implicit type conversion is nothing but converting data type without losing its original meaning. This implicit type conversion is performed by the compiler on its own. Okay, so this is nothing but implicit type conversion. Okay, here there is one example is there. In this I am trying to do, for example, hash input distributor. This is the header file. This is our main function. In this, here int x, here x is a data type. X is a variable. Which type of data type? Which type of integer data type? Okay, so simply x is a integer type. So here I am assigning 10. I am assigning some value 10. Okay, here there is another data. There is another variable, that is y. Which type? Character type. So I am assigned a character a to y. So generally what happened here? Here 10 value is assigned to x, that is the integer type. A value is not a value, just a character. Okay, a character is assigned to y, that is the character type. Now I am trying to do x equal to x plus y. X equal to x plus y. What is the meaning of these? Here x equal to x plus y is the expression actually. Okay, x equal to x plus y. First which operation is performed? X plus y operation is performed, and then this result is assigned to x value. Now what is x value? X is my 10. Okay, 10 is substituted. Plus y. Y is nothing but a. Okay, now y is a character. Now what happened here? I am trying to do one data type value to another data type. Okay, so integer ni ఏం చేయబోతున్నాను? Character తో యాడ్ చేయబోతున్నాను. Integer data type value ni character data type value తో addition చేయబోతున్నాను. What happened here generally? So here in ASCII is nothing but computer terminology, and in ASCII some codes. Here ASCII is nothing but some codes, and here small a value is 97 in ASCII codes. Okay, small a value is 97 in ASCII codes. Okay, సో నెక్స్ట్ వస్తాయి మనకి యాస్కీ కోడ్స్ అంటే ఏంటి ఏంటి ఏంటి. సో నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో వస్తాయి. సో సింపుల్ ఇక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుంది చెప్పండి. ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ 10 ప్లస్ వై ప్లస్ వై అన్నారుగా. వై అంటే ఏమిటి? వై ఈజ్ ఏ character data type. It consists of a character A. సో ఏకి ఎంత వాల్యూ ఎస్ఎన్ అవుతుంది? ఆటోమేటిక్గా 97 ఎస్ఎన్ అవుతుందండి. 97 ఎస్ఎన్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకు? యాస్కీ కోడ్స్లో స్మాల్ ఏ వాల్యూ 97 కాబట్టి. సో ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ వై. దట్ మీన్స్ 10 ప్లస్ 97. 10 plus 97 is added. 10 plus 97 is added. Now 10 plus 97. What is the value? 10 plus 97 means 107. So x consists of how much? 107. Okay, now 107 value. Now I am trying to do another value, that is z, which type of float. So float z. That means z is a variable which type? Float data type. Okay, now so float z equal to x plus 1.0. దట్ మీన్స్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూని దేంతో యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాను? 1.0తో యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. అంటే ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఏ ప్యూర్ ఇంటీజర్ ప్లస్ 1.0 is the float value. So this result is assigned to this z. That means 1.0 plus 107. That means 1.8.0. So now I want to printf x value and z. X equal to x ఈజ్ ఇంటీజర్ టైప్ కదా. ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు పర్సెంటేజ్ డి అని యూజ్ చేశాను. జెడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు పర్సెంటేజ్ ఎఫ్ రాసాను. వై? బికాస్ హియర్ జెడ్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫ్లోట్ వాల్యూ కాబట్టి. సో ఎక్స్ జెడ్. సో ప్రింట్ చేస్తాను. వాట్ ఈస్ మై రిజల్ట్? ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 107, జెడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1.8. ఓకేనా? 1 నాట్ 1.8, 108. ఓకేనా? 108.0. దట్ మీన్స్ వాట్ హియర్ ఏం చేశాను నేను? ఇంప్లిసిట్ టైప్ కన్వర్షన్ చేశాను. హౌ? ఒక డేటా టైప్లో ఉన్న వాల్యూని ఇంకో డేటా టైప్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేశానండి. ఓకేనా? సో ఇంటీజర్ని క్యారెక్టర్తో యాడ్ చేశాను, యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ని మళ్ళీ ఫ్లోట్ వాల్యూతో యాడ్ చేశాను. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ దిస్ ద సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ ఇంప్లిసిట్ టైప్ కన్వర్షన్. ఓకేనా? సో ఒకసారి ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేద్దామండి. హియర్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ imp.c. ఓకేనా? ఒకసారి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేద్దాం, చూడండి. ఓకేనా? నౌ go to our desktop, open turbo c. Okay na? So it will open in few seconds. So our program name is imp.c. Okay na? Now file, open, imp. Yes, imp. Where is that? Yes, imp.c. Okay na? So this is our program. Now here, this is a integer, this is my character, and then this is my float z. Okay na? Float z. So I am converting one data type into another type. That this is the example of our implicit type conversion. Let us execute. Okay na? Yes. Now what happened? Control plus F9. Okay na? Yes, compiled. Now Alt plus F5. Now what happened? X equal to 107. Okay na? Z equal to 108.0. That means ఏం జరిగిందండి ఇక్కడ? సో 10 plus here a value is in ASCII codes, a value is 107. 107 plus 10, that is 107. Okay, 97 plus 10, that is 107. Here z equal to x plus 1.0. That means float value is added with some integer value. Now here 108.0. So this is the simple example of our implicit type conversion. Okay, this is the simple example of our implicit type conversion. Now second type is explicit type conversion. Okay,